Kickresume. Introduction. Creating a resume can be difficult and time-consuming. Fortunately, AI tools like Kickresume make it much easier to build an effective resume. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use Kickresume's AI helper to easily create a professional resume. Getting started. First, go to www.kickresume.com and sign up for a free account. You'll need to provide some basic background information about yourself. After signing up, you can start a new resume draft. Creating an outline. Kickresume will first have you outline the main sections of your resume. This includes work experience, education, skills, and more. The AI will prompt you with questions to help generate an outline tailored to your background. Be thorough with your answers here, as this will form the backbone of the resume. Generating content. With the outline completed, Kickresume will automatically generate initial content for each resume section. The AI will create bullet points summarizing your work history, education, and skills based on your earlier answers. Refining details. At this point, go through each section and refine the details. You can expand on the bullet points further, correct any errors, and customize the language to match your style. Lean on the AI for suggestions on improving phrasing or adding relevant achievements. Formatting. Once the content is looking good, spend some time formatting the resume. Kickresume provides excellent templates and options for fonts, margins, spacing, and more. Make it visually polished. Finalizing and exporting. Do a final pass over the resume to make any last tweaks. Then, export your resume in PDF format ready for applications. You can also download the text version to copy and paste when required. That covers the key steps to create a resume through Kickresume's AI assistant. Follow this process to efficiently build a professional resume tailored to your background and skills.